everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video, guys. And today, guys, I will be showing you how to strike through your text in your Google Slides presentation. So yeah, guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah, guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do, guys, is go ahead to the official Google Slides website and log into your account. After logging into your account, guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you will be able to create your presentation. As you can see here, guys, I have already created my presentation right here, and here I have some slides where I have some text. As you can see, I have a table and so on. So guys, let's say on the second slide I want to strike through some of my text so that it will appear on the presentation as there is a line about it. So today I'm going to be showing you how to do it, and it's very easy. So yeah, guys, let's get into it. The first thing you want to do, guys, go ahead and find the text that you want to strike through. I'm going to use this word right here. And after finding the text, guys, you want to go ahead and select the text that you want to strike through. So I have selected the word right here, the word tutorial. And now, guys, after selecting the text, you want to go into the upper corner where your toolbar is and find this option right here called Format. So guys, go ahead and click on Format. And after clicking on Format, guys, this will now open up this new drop-down menu where you have multiple options such as using your text, editing your text, and so on. We want to put our our mouse on this text option right here. And as you can see, now we have multiple options. And what we want to do is go ahead and click this option right here called Strike Through. So guys, go ahead and click on Strike Through, and as you can see here, guys, now we have successfully strike through our text right here. As you can see, there is now a line crossing over it. If we want to reverse this, guys, just go back to the text option and click Strike Through again, and now this will undo the option and it will no longer be strike through. So yeah, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.